Hello, welcome to my channel. This is AH for Truth. Thank you for joining me. All right, if you're new to crypto, I wrote a book just for you. It's called I said AH for Truth. It's called Crypto Made Easy. It's in the description. Download a copy for yourself. It's an EPUB and there's a PDF file in the package, $19.99. It'll be a blessing to you. There's a second book titled Cryptocurrencies, the Future of Banking, Finance, and Value Transfer is here. You can also download that. It'll do good to you. It shows the ISO cryptos and how they influence the financial industry. All right, what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about the fluctuating price of XRP and how it affects a lot of people. And I have come to the conclusion that most people who are investing in crypto are not real investors. It's either they are wanting to make a quick buck in crypto, and so they have invested in cryptocurrencies because somebody told them that's the best way to make money, that's the best way to quickly move in and out, and you can get a lot of money. All right, friends, I just want to encourage you, if you're out there and you see posts on X, posts on YouTube or whatever, and people fear-mongering and scaring you with a news of, there's going to be a flash crash or something like that. Let me give you an advice. Again, this is not financial advice. Everything I do here is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on things, and hopefully you can look at it and do your own research yourself. So I'm not telling you what to buy, what to do, but I'm saying what I have done. Put your crypto in cold wallets and forget about it. Check the prices once in a while. When it goes down, if it goes below your average price, don't worry about it. You know why? I want you to look at the fundamentals. You can search you can even go to Grok or ChatGPT and research the fundamentals of the crypto you have purchased. You get a lot of information. Now, in every search that you do on any of the AI systems, models, or whatever you call them, ChatGPT, for example, or Perplexity, any one of those, what usually happens? Okay, let me use Grok. I'm familiar with Grok. Okay, it will go to about 15 or 20 something like that websites, and your job, in my opinion, it has summarized for you. You can do some expansion if you want by clicking on some of those websites, going there and doing further research for yourself. Spend an hour researching. Get off of TV, get off of Netflix for a little bit, because you're putting money into something that is for your future. Why aren't you researching about it? By the way, I just want to announce this. If you are someone who is like you're trying to put money into crypto, look, I know a person who put $500,000 in crypto after coming on my channel, finding out that this was a place to go, this was something to do, and invested that kind of money in different assets. And I'm telling you that he's going to reap it. His family is the better for it. It's generational wealth. So if you're in that category right now, you're wondering, what do I do? I have all this money in retirement, a couple $1 million. I don't know what to do. Look, we can help you. All right. Well, I am returning to Houston. I was in Houston 2 weeks ago. It was great. I'll be back November 6th to 9. I will be in Texas. Kryptonite and I are hosting another VIP one-on-one conference. All right. You can see it's right up there. Click on it and it'll take you straight to the video where I give you a little bit more information. Send me an email. And I will give you all the details about this industry, this arena, this frontier of investment. It's new, it's amazing. There is a learning curve, and it is steep for a lot of people because it has to do with computer, the Web 3, which is internet level 3, right? We've got Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. But back to what I was saying. So please, don't let the fact, for those of you holding already, and I'm going to tell you why I say you shouldn't let it bother you, okay? See, if there was some new gold somewhere that was discovered by scientists or archaeologists or whatever, and they found out that the price of it after refining would be 10,000 an ounce right off the bat from the gates of the factory, it's 10,000 an ounce. Don't you think governments will invest? Companies will invest in it. They will invest and try to sell it to you as an EFT. As a basket in a hedge fund, whatever, in a hedge fund basket. They'll try to do whatever to get it to you so that you can invest in it. Now, digital assets create a completely new opportunity for the world to find money, pay debts, and flush the economy with liquidity. Why? Because you have to find true value. All of this while, the world has been playing around with false value. Because see, debt is truly false value if it's not really debt that's going to create employment, create opportunities. What has happened is that we've just inflated debt away with the system that's currently running, and this old system must perish for something new to come in and take over and help the economies of the world. It's a solution to a problem. Listen, wealth is created by solving a problem. I just took a sip of coffee. Coffee is a problem solver, I think. This cup is a problem solver. Where to put the coffee? The coffee is hot. These are paper cups. And there's something else I have here. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. This is a problem solver, a major problem solver. Just wait. It's a very simple thing. But do you know how many billions of dollars are spent producing this every year? Do you know what this is? This is a paper cup holder. It's made of paper. It's actually to separate between the cup and your hands so you don't feel the heat. The weather is very cold up in Canada. And for those of you in the States who are closer to us, you know what it's like. North Dakota, Minnesota, it gets very cold. Then we get our coffees. The fact that it's cold outside won't stop your hand from getting hot. Cold, I mean. Hot. So we put it inside the cup. It's a sleeve. It's a coffee cup sleeve that helps to keep your hand, from getting, burnt or whatever because it can be so hot that you don't want to hold it and then you sip your coffee over time. So I have that sitting in the car from a previous cup of coffee that I had purchased. It's a product that solves a problem and there is value to it. You research how many billions of dollars are in the coffee cup business before we even talk of the coffee cup itself. Even pizza, all of these things, they solve a problem. Cars solve a problem. Digital assets are solving a problem. In previous videos, I've told you about the problems that they solve. In fact, the biggest problem that XRP solves is liquidity. Because gold can solve the problem of liquidity. It sits there, it has high value, but you can attach to it through paper documents. So if I hold a lot of gold, I can borrow people off of my gold without them taking a bar off. I can create a system by which they borrow fiat from the value of the gold. Anything is possible if you can find a valuable asset that solves the problem of liquidity. And liquidity is scarce in the world. Why? As population grows, it becomes a problem. More mouths to feed, more houses to build, and then the system of borrowing is fractured. It's slow, it's antiquated, it's expensive. Just like what email did for communications, digital assets, cryptocurrencies will do for money. And this is why, and value movement. And this is why XRP's price, when people look at the $3 and they go, oh, you are seeing another Bitcoin. And I beg you, forget about the supply. Supply has nothing to do with where it's going. That's the secret. In fact, the fact that it's 100 billion tells you something. You are going to have such great value. It's genius. At $10, it's already 570 billion for what is circulating. At $20, you're at 1 trillion. At $100, you're at, and is that $100 possible? It is, because of the math. The math is based on the problem it has to solve. Movement of 1 quadrillion a year, and we're not even talking about 1 quadrillion for one XRP to get to $2,000. You go research the XRP calculator. If you're interested, you can buy that course. I have it, $99.99, no discount. If you're a member of my channel, I'll give you a discount. Email me. All right, that's all I have to say. The value is in what it will do. Just like these coffee cups have value, what they do gives it its price. And because it's scalable, as long as there's more value, tokenized, moving, being delivered on the XRP ledger, the XRP price will continue to explode. And like I said, it's all in what it was created to do. And it'll be the one that will come from behind and run ahead of everybody else. You watch. Okay, I'll be here by the grace of God, and we will look back on this day and what we said. All right, thank you. That's all I have for you. Reach out if you're looking for coaching. Let me know. Just go to the description, Send me a message and we will take it from there. God bless you. Bye-bye now.